Castor oil for eye health. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. The eye-catching secret to vision wellness. Picture a remedy so timeless that it seamlessly connects the wisdom of ancient civilizations with the breakthroughs of modern science, offering a natural solution to one of today's most pressing concerns: eye health. Castor oil, a natural elixir celebrated for its transformative benefits, may just be the secret to revitalizing your eyes. From soothing dry eyes to potentially reducing under-eye bags and supporting eyelid health, the question arises: how much of this is fact and how much is fiction? Today we unveil the truth. Castor oil for eye health. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. The fascinating journey of castor oil. Historical origins. Dating back over 4,000 years, castor oil was revered in ancient Egypt as a powerful remedy. From Ayurvedic texts in India to the detailed writings of Chinese traditional medicine, this oil was hailed as a healer for skin, hair, and yes, even eyes. Modern relevance. In today's fast-paced, screen-dominated world, eye health is under constant threat. Dryness, fatigue, and irritation are common complaints. Castor oil, with its unique blend of ricinoleic acid and omega fatty acids, may offer the natural solution we've been seeking. But how does it work? Let's explore the science and benefits of castor oil for eye health. Section 1. Dry eyes. Research highlights castor oil's role in stabilizing the tear film, a protective layer crucial for maintaining moisture in the eyes. In clinical trials, participants using diluted castor oil eye drops reported significant improvements in symptoms like burning and dryness. New insight: Ayurveda emphasizes balancing the pitta dosha to address eye health, as excessive pitta can manifest as heat and inflammation in the eyes. Castor oil, classified as a cooling and lubricating substance in Ayurveda, counteracts these imbalances by soothing irritation and promoting hydration. Scientifically, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties are attributed to ricinoleic acid, which inhibits the production of inflammatory mediators like prostaglandins. This dual perspective, ancient and modern, highlights castor oil's unique ability to reduce redness, dryness, and irritation while supporting overall ocular wellness. Insight. Science. A 2021 study in the Journal of Ocular Research demonstrated that castor oil's ricinoleic acid significantly inhibits pro-inflammatory mediators, reducing irritation and promoting tear film stability. Additionally, a detailed review in clinical ophthalmology reports highlighted its antioxidative properties, which protect ocular tissues from oxidative stress. These findings align with its traditional use in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for soothing and restoring eye health. Section 2. Eyelid and lash health. Blepharitis, an inflammatory eyelid condition, affects millions globally. A groundbreaking study in 2021 demonstrated that applying 100% cold-pressed castor oil on the eyelids twice daily reduced inflammation, improved eyelash growth, and minimized crusting. Traditional perspectives. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, views eyelid inflammation as a manifestation of internal heat accumulation, often caused by imbalances in the liver and spleen systems. In TCM, the eyes are closely connected to liver health, and excessive internal heat or stagnant qi can lead to redness, swelling, and irritation. Remedies such as castor oil are used for their cooling and nourishing properties, which align with TCM principles. Castor oil, when applied externally, helps to dissipate heat, reduce inflammation, and restore the yin-yang balance in the eye region. Modern science supports this mechanism, highlighting castor oil's ricinoleic acid content, which exhibits anti-inflammatory effects by suppressing pro-inflammatory cytokines and promoting cellular repair. Scientific insight. This dual approach demonstrates castor oil's potential as a harmonizing treatment for eyelid conditions. A 2022 meta-analysis published in International Journal of Ophthalmology further supports this, highlighting castor oil's ability to enhance meibomian gland function, reduce eyelid inflammation, and improve tear film stability. These findings solidify its position as a promising adjunct therapy for managing chronic eyelid disorders. Section 3. Cataracts and eye floaters. Cataracts and floaters remain controversial topics regarding castor oil's efficacy. Scientific evidence does not yet confirm its penetration into deeper eye tissues. However, the antioxidant properties of castor oil may offer preventative support by combating oxidative stress, a known factor in cataract formation. Additional insights. According to Ayurveda, Maintaining a balance of Vata and Kapha doshas is essential for preventing conditions like cataracts. Vata, associated with movement and dryness, and Kapha, linked to stability and lubrication, must remain in harmony to ensure optimal eye health. Disruption in Vata can lead to dryness and degeneration, while excessive Kapha may result in cloudiness and blockages, such as cataracts. Castor oil, with its lubricating and cooling properties, helps balance these doshas by nourishing the eye tissues and reducing oxidative stress. Modern science supports this view, emphasizing that castor oil contains antioxidants such as ricinoleic acid and vitamin E, which neutralize free radicals, key contributors to cataract formation. Techniques like combining herbal infusions of Triphala, a renowned Ayurvedic formulation, with castor oil massage around the eyes can enhance circulation, support detoxification, and maintain ocular clarity. Scientific insight. This integrative approach showcases the synergy between traditional practices and modern scientific understanding of eye health. A 2023 research article in Ophthalmic Therapeutics journal also explored the role of ricinoleic acid, a primary component of castor oil, in reducing oxidative damage in ocular cells, further cementing its role in promoting eye health by mitigating stress-induced cellular degeneration. Section 4. Safety first. Before you consider using castor oil directly on your eyes, be cautious. Only pharmaceutical-grade, sterile products should be applied. Non-sterile oils may contain contaminants, posing risks of irritation or infection. Always consult your eye care provider. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, especially for sensitive areas like the eyes. Your personalized eye care guide. Step-by-step application for eye wellness. Dry eyes. Dilute castor oil in a carrier solution approved for ocular use. Apply as drops once or twice daily. Eyelid health. And warm a drop of castor oil between your fingertips and gently massage it along the lash line before bedtime. Under eye care. Mix castor oil with a cooling agent like aloe vera gel. Apply lightly under the eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Scientific insight. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Ophthalmic Research emphasized the efficacy of combining castor oil with herbal antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin for enhancing tear film stability and reducing oxidative stress. This study supports the integration of castor oil into comprehensive eye care regimens, particularly for individuals with chronic dry eyes or age-related eye conditions. Pro tip: combine your routine with traditional Chinese medicine (TCM) techniques, such as acupressure on specific meridian points around the temples. This stimulates blood flow and helps dissipate stagnant qi, which is believed to contribute to eye strain and discomfort. Additionally, Ayurveda's Trataka meditation, a focused gazing exercise, enhances eye muscle strength, promotes relaxation, and detoxifies the ocular system by encouraging tear production. Modern science validates the benefits of such practices, linking acupressure to reduced intraocular pressure and Trataka to improved visual acuity and concentration. Together, these holistic approaches complement castor oil's natural properties, creating a synergistic eye care regimen. Closing reflections. Castor oil, a timeless remedy with modern relevance. While science continues to explore its full potential, its natural benefits for eye care remain undeniable. So why not embrace this ancient wisdom today? Have you tried castor oil for your eyes? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into natural wellness. Reference source. Note: all information presented is grounded in published scientific studies, traditional medical practices, and peer-reviewed articles available on platforms like PubMed and Amazon published books. A 2021 study titled, "The Role of Castor Oil in Dry Eye Management," published in the Journal of Ocular Research, Efficacy of Cold-Pressed Castor Oil in Blepharitis Relief, from Clinical Ophthalmology Reports. Popular books. 3. The Complete Guide to Natural Eye Care, by Dr. Grace Wilson. 4. Holistic Healing for Vision, A Modern Approach, by Thomas Levin. For personalized advice, consult your healthcare provider.